I have 4 children. All 4 play ice sports. So my daughter figure skates, all 3 boys play ice hockey. It takes a toll on your body. So ice is very unforgiving when you fall. And little by little, they needed some help. The catalyst was my daughter, who had a lot of severe lower back pain. And we had tried acupuncture. We had gone to a spinal doctor who had done rather painful trigger point injections. We were at a loss as to what to do for my daughter. And for the first time after the manipulations and using the K-therapy, she was pain-free. And it was wonderful. It was wonderful for her because she could skate without that lower back pain. He gave her everything that her body needed to heal itself. The boys, they've had injuries and even something that's not related to chiropractic, which we found everything more or less does come down to that. He's been able to help with their minor scoliosis. My son had broken his ankle, and again, just to help with the therapies with K-laser and manipulations to just ease the pain, speed the recovery. It's been wonderful. He's been here on many levels, not just the chiropractic, but it is whole body. It's not just the spine. He talks to the children. He always gives you plenty of time. You're never rushed. If you have a question, you bring it up and he can answer it for you. If he can't, he gets the research for you. He can talk to the boys about nutrition, especially the 16-year-old who's growing by leaps and bounds, so that they're healthy, so that they can maintain their level of sports, because they all play at a high level, and that just gives them that extra little edge. They feel better also. They feel more confident. They feel healthier. We go once a year for visits to the pediatrician, just for well visits, but they don't go in between. Everything jives when you're in alignment. You feel better. When you feel better and you're more positive, I just think it's trickle down. It comes out in your health overall. We have definitely a healthier outlook just through, general suggestions and talking and information. I've gotten better with my own health, and I've gotten better with what I'm feeding the children, what I'm allowing in the house. And it makes me proud because I know that I'm taking care of my kids. And it's a good feeling knowing that you're doing the best you can for them as often as you can. We're all going to slip up, but he's even taught us how to make real healthy chocolate, so that makes a difference. That gives me my little perks every now and then. You don't realize, I guess, how you're not quite there. You might feel good, but it's a perception. So until you know what better feels like, you didn't realize you didn't feel that good. And the fact that you get information, I think, is one of the biggest perks. I've recommended some very dear friends here, and they've walked away recommending it to other friends. My husband was very skeptical, so he was the harder one to deal with. But Dr. Carabasi won him over in a heartbeat.